My people, how una dey? My name again na Bibi, and today we wan look the final part of Genesis chapter 1 verse 21 to 31. This na where God create man and animal and the blessings wey He give them. Make we see how He take do am, and make we see wetin we fit learn from this powerful part of the Bible. Genesis chapter 1 verse 21 to 25 show us how God take create animals. So God come create big fish and all the animals wey dey swim for water. He still create all the birds wey dey fly for sky. God look everything wey He create and He say e good. God bless them say, make una plenty, full everywhere, make una reproduce well well. That na how the 5th day take waka go. God talk say, make ground bring out animals, cows, goats, lions, ants, different kind. And it happen like that. God look wetin He make and say e good. You see am, God make sure say animals full ground, sea and sky before He create man. That na to show say God dey prepare ground before He make any major move. Everything get in season, and so make you no rush your life. God dey prepare your own ground too. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 to 28 na how God take create human beings. Then God say, make we create human being, make He resemble us, make He control fish, birds, animals and the whole earth. Na so God take create man and woman in His own image. God come bless them say, make una plenty, fill the earth, control am, take care of all the animals and plants. E shock you? God no just create us like ordinary clay. He put small of His own nature inside us. That means say we carry greatness already. We fit control, lead and make things better. You no be mistake, you be God design. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 to 30 show us how God provide food for us. God tell man say, see all the plants and fruits when they bear seed. Na food for you be that. And to all animals, God give green plant as food, and everything happen like that. God no just create us. He provide food, land and everything wey we need. You see am, He no create lack. Na we dey use greed scatter everything. From beginning, God provide enough for everyone. Genesis chapter 1 verse 31 show us how God take look everything. God look all the things wey He create, and He talk say everything good well well. That na how the 6th day take waka o. My people, if God talk say everything wey He create e good, who be that person wey go tell you say you no good? Who tell you say your life no get meaning? God look you finish and say you good well well. Abeg, hold that one tight. Lessons for life from Genesis chapter 1 verse 21 to 31 be say, you get value. God create you for your own image. No let anybody downgrade you. You carry responsibility to take care of earth, animals and people around you. God dey prepare before He bless. Learn to wait, your own time dey come. You no be accident. God carefully plan your life. You fit do better things. Abeg, if this message touch you, abeg like, subscribe and share, and drop wetin you think for the comment section. Na wetin you learn from this part of Genesis, and na how you dey use your life take reflect God's image. Bless you my people. We go see for the next episode. Una bye.